Hi, I'm Donna and I'm at the Sharma clinic in Edmonton. Well, I've been experiencing hair loss for probably a good 10 years, if not more, in these areas, and I'm really receding back here, and I have lots of hair in the back, but I'm not having so much in the front. So I'd go out on a windy day and it'd be like, oh, that really bothered me. So I decided I was gonna do something about it. I've had bangs for so long, and it's getting to the point now where when I have the bangs coming down, I have no hair to support that underneath. So I look like basically a cone head, and I can't tease it anymore. I put hairspray on it, but I think that's defeating the purpose too, because I think it's just coating my scalp. And so yeah, it's in both corners too, like, and it's just, yeah. Hair is, it's who people are too. Like, I'm a woman and I don't want to have no hair, and it's embarrassing for me, and yeah. So I'm going to be excited to get that done and actually be able to do something with my hair and style it in the way that I want instead of the way that I have to.
So yes, we're going to do the F.U.S.S technique. We're going to make a linear cut along the back of the scalp. If you want to just turn your head to one side, darling. So we're going to cut from ear to ear, around 20 centimeters, a centimeter wide, and then we're going to close this area. And the nice thing about this technique with females is once we perform the surgery, this hair will cover the linear incision, and that will heal very, very nicely. We do a 3-layer closure, and then we'll take the grafts, we're going to dissect them into the individual components, and then transplant them.
Yeah, I do. Don't wait. I waited for a while, and yeah, I got to the point where it's just getting uncontrollable for me to try and cover it up. So yeah, I think that you should do it now more than ever. Especially, we have the ways and the means here in Edmonton at the Sharma clinic. I think it would be 100% to your advantage to do this and take advantage of it.